threads and beads, young and old. A craftswoman's heart beats strong, creating beauty all day long. Oh, the beauty she creates, with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop love resides, where art and craft abide. From hair clips to jewelry fine, her hands weave magic, one thread at a time. A symphony of color and light,